What are my rights if I had a bad reaction to a product that had no warning label? I had swollen hands, welts on my arms, and breathing difficulty. Had to use a nebulizer and EpiPen to go to the ER. That question comes from Callie. Larry?
All right. Callie, it sounds like you were prepared. Not many people have an EpiPen available. Not many people have a nebulizer available. It sounds like that you may be susceptible to some type of an allergic reaction, either from a product or a food product. And by the email question, we can't tell if it's a food product, if it's some over-the-counter medicine, or if it's just something that happened to you. Kelly, it's going to be very difficult to prove that the food product or the product that you may have consumed actually not only caused it, but was the legal cause. I mean, chronologically, it certainly sounds like you ingested something and you had this reaction. But proving the legal cause and having legal damages is something entirely different. Just because you have a bad reaction to something that you eat or taste or you ingest doesn't mean that you automatically have a legal claim. It has to be something outside the norm. For instance, if you and this isn't what happened, but if you had used an underarm deodorant product, and let's say that you broke out in a rash after the first time that you used it, there are times where underarm deodorant products cause the rash. The same way with certain types of food products, unless it was a food product that was mislabeled. For instance, if you went to a restaurant and you told them, I am allergic to shellfish, and they failed and neglected to tell you that they had crab or shrimp in the product or the food that you ingested, then you might have a legal cause of action. But based on what we have right now, Callie, I'm unable to tell you that. I'm glad that you're okay. I know that when you go into what's called anaphylaxis, when you go into this type of shock, that it can be very dangerous. It's certainly very scary. If any of those criteria meet what we've told you, if it's something that was failed to be disclosed to you that should have been disclosed to you, give us a call at the office. We'll be more than happy to help you tomorrow.